Have you ever received a PDF where the pages are out of order? Maybe the cover page is at the end, chapters are mixed up, or scanned pages appear in the wrong sequence. Rearranging PDF pages manually can be frustrating and time-consuming. Don't worry. Today I'll show you Softaken Organize PDF Online free, an easy online tool that helps you organize your PDF pages in just a few clicks. The problem: disorganized PDF files can create many problems. Documents become difficult to read. Reports and presentations look unprofessional. Important pages appear in the wrong order. Printing or sharing an unorganized PDF can confuse clients, teachers, or coworkers. Many PDF editors are expensive, require installation, or ask you to create an account before you can edit your files. The solution: that's where Softaken Organize PDF Online free comes in. This free online tool lets you quickly rearrange PDF pages using a simple drag-and-drop interface. No software installation is required, and the process is fast, secure, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're organizing business documents, school assignments, scanned files, or ebooks, this tool makes PDF management simple. Benefits of organizing PDF online: drag and drop reorder, rearrange pages easily. Files stay local. Your files remain on your device. Rotate pages. Fix page orientation instantly. Delete pages. Remove unwanted pages easily. Free and unlimited. Organize PDFs at no cost. Fast preview. View all pages before saving. No sign-up required. Start instantly. No account needed. Desktop version available. Advanced editing for larger tasks. How to use. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Upload or drag and drop a PDF file. Step 2. Reorder and edit. Drag pages to reorder, rotate, or remove unwanted pages. Step 3. Save and download. Click Save PDF and download your organized PDF instantly. If you need a quick and hassle-free way to rearrange PDF pages, try Softaken Organize PDF Online free today. Thanks for watching.